how to turn off or on orders notifications on Bigcommerce, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn it off or on. First, open your browser and then once you're here, click settings, and as you see here we'll find Bigcommerce settings. Now just scroll down, scroll until you find order notifications, and if you want to turn it off, all you need to do just that's it, just click on it, and then you can turn it on again whenever you want. Then just click save. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.